Hello guys, so finally we are done with the registration of 30 days of Google Cloud. We were getting this error like the site was not visible because of heavy traffic. So finally we have got the confirmation mail from the Google Cloud and we are successfully registered for this program. So these are some of the screenshots which I faced during the registration process. First was the DDoS attack failed by the detected by the Google as the registration form had huge traffic. Really. So then after this, we also had Google Cloud officially issued this notice to all of the students like, thank you for your interest in enrolling in 30 days of Google Cloud, but we are really sorry as the enrollment form is closed and we are not accepting any new enrollments in this program. Okay, so this was another error some of the students were facing in the registration process, but later it turned out that this notice is not true and facilitators circulated another messages on the GDSC group. So the message said something like that: ignore the previous message that your registration has been full and all. That message they told to ignore. They provided us with the new registration link. So when we clicked on that link, we got the goodies. The form was now completely open with less traffic on it this time. Then this was the final step where we acknowledge everything that the information we provided is correct. Also, we were told to read this. We were told to read this notice and instructions, and then this is finally that your 30 days of Google Cloud program has been successfully registered, and the form was finally filled after so many of obstacles. So it was pretty challenging actually. Like after every 10 minutes, we were literally refreshing our sites so that we could get we were checking that is the site working now. Then even after registering this, I didn't got my confirmation letter till 2 days. Then today finally and I got it in Gmail when I checked today's Gmail. I finally got this verification mail from Google. So congratulations then to me and to all of our viewers who got registered in this program. Stay tuned for more lab tutorials as I will be uploading them too on this channel. So that's that. Thank you.